Okay, mount your camera on a tripod. You can use portrait mode. After that, you record an empty background for a few seconds, then you walk in. So walking now, look at what I am going to be doing. Just lift your hand up and stay like that for some few seconds or minutes. After that, you can now just walk out. Okay, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay, right now we are going to be clicking on CapCut, new project, import your video to workspace. Don't forget to click it and locate volume. Okay, click on volume, reduce it to 0, mark on this good and go back. Let's mark out an empty background. Click here now, make a split. All right, go and look for overlay. Click on overlay, click on the background, look for freeze, guys. Look for freeze now. Click on freeze, then you click it and drag it. After which you come back and click on the second layer and take it to the beginning of the video. Then you locate where you want this video unwanted part. Click here now. Immediately you raise your hand up, click here, make a split, delete that last part. You come back and click it, go and look for remove BG. Okay, click on remove BG, auto removal. Allow it to remove completely. As you can see, it's applying. Okay, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. All right, locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorial. Okay, just stay tight, stay tuned. Make sure you watch this video to the end because we have some vital effects we are going to be using. And just in case you need any of those effects that we are going to be using in this video, just DM me, then I am going to send it to you. Okay, it's still removing. Welcome to the tutorial. Mark on this good and go back as it has removed completely. Now look at this video. Let's make a move. Immediately you lift your hand up. Click on the video, go and locate freeze. Let's use freeze here because you know it's video, so that it will work well. Look for freeze. You freeze this part. You click on this one now, click it and delete it. Click on the freeze part and drag it, all right, to a point. Then you can come back now. Look at how it's going to be good. Then you want to click it now and go and click it. Add your keyframe now. So add your keyframe, you adjust the video a bit, then you push this character up. As you are moving the video, you are pushing the character up. All right, that is what we are going to do here. Just push the character up until you push him out of the scene. As you are adjusting the video and pushing the character, the key will be adding automatically. Don't bother clicking the key again. Just be adjusting the video and pushing that character out. All right, that is what you are going to do. By the time you push him out completely, let us see how it's going to play. All right, you can play it. This is good. So the next thing we are going to be doing is to come back and mark anywhere. Click on add overlay now. Then you locate this light here, you click it and import it to your workspace. Click on splice now, click on splice, click on filter, then you mark on that good and go back and locate mask. Let us resize the light. Click on mask, click on circle, resize the light how you want it to be for your use. After resizing it, you mark on that good, then you go back, then you drag the light down, bring it down. Right, so bring it down, you go and click on your keyframe. All right, click on your keyframe now, then you crop the light until you see it no more. Crop the light. After cropping it now, then you adjust this video. You will adjust this video, then you start revealing the light again. Just pull it out, reveal the light. After revealing it, then you take it to the point of his leg. All right, after which you adjust this video again, then you drag the light up to his feet. Okay, so do it gradually. As you are dragging the light to his feet, the key will be adding automatically. Your own is just be dragging the light to his feet as you are adjusting the video. All right, this is what we are going to do here now, and after which we are going to be playing it. Let us see how it looks. Play it now, play it here. Let us see how it play. I feel this is good. Then take the video to the beginning and click on add overlay again. click on add overlay again, locate this moon here, you click it and you import it. Go and look for mask now, guys. Locate mask, okay? Locate mask, click on mask, look at mask, click on mask, click on circle. You come and circle this moon with that 2 arrow, circle the moon. After circling the moon now, we are going to be clicking on that arrow to go back. Mark on that arrow, then you go back, then you push this moon and resize it, place it where you want it to be. We are going to be moving the video to see whether the moon is at the right place. Shift the video, you can see that the moon is not in the right place. Then you can bring the character down, use your hand and adjust that moon so that it will be at exact position where the character is going in. This is good, this is good. So at this point, we are going to be clicking on that arrow now to go back. Click on add overlay again. We want to import these green screen beds, import it to workspace. Then you go and look for remove BG, click on remove BG, chroma key, you drag it, you mark on that good and go back. Go and locate adjust now, locate adjust. As you locate adjust, you click on adjust, click on HSL. As you locate HSL, mark on this green, reduce saturation to 100%, you mark on that good and go back. So at this point, immediately the light goes into the moon. Drag this one to that point, all right? Then you click it and take that bed to the point of that moon. After that, we are going to be adding keyframe. Then as you shift the video, you want to place your bed at the position you want it to be, all right? Look at what I am doing. So you are shifting the video, you are positioning the beds how you want it to fly, how you want it to be, all right? So you do your necessary adjustment. After that, we are going to be playing this video from the beginning. Let us see what we have got, all right? At the end now, let's play this video from the beginning and see what we have got, okay? If there are amendments as you are watching it, you come down and do your necessary adjustment. For me, this is good, this is nice. So what we are going to be doing is to mark out the unwanted parts of the video. You click on the background, make a split now. Click on the light, make a split. Click on the moon, make a split. Click on the bed, make a split. Then you delete them one after the other. After deleting them now, this video is ready. What will be remaining here now is to add your sound effect, your light effects, and every other effect you need in this video. And at the end, you can now export your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things, I want you to put me through. Don't worry, at the description of this video, my number is there. Just go and DM me, then I'll put you through on how to add your necessary effects. After that, you can now export your video to your gallery, okay? But there is another thing you need to remember and you need to know here. Remember, you used auto remove BG, which is a pro features. If you try to export this video now, you cannot be able to export it. Reason being that you are not a pro member. But don't worry, in one of my videos there, I've recorded on how to use CapCut Pro features for free, all right? Just go and watch that video. You will learn and know how you will come and export this your video to your gallery, okay? Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Don't forget to locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorial. And just in case you need any of those green screens, DM me, I will send them to you, okay? See you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.